In this video I'm going to show you 3 ways you can use Kajabi. Hello, my name is Fredrik and I am a rapid video marketer, which means that I like to create videos very rapidly so that I can create up to 30 videos a day. Or when I don't have the time, I have a system that I can create videos very rapidly so that I can do that even though I don't have the time. But this is the part where from my videos I like to drive traffic. That's why I always end my videos with, if you want to learn more, visit my site. And I use Kajabi as my lead generation site. You can use Kajabi for so much more, but the main part is to use it as a website. I have a customer that told me that they have a company running their website and they are paying like $1,000 a month for just keep it up running and nothing more. If they want changes, they have to pay for it. And I said, why don't you use Kajabi? I mean, it's like for $200 and you have the possibilities to do so much more with that site. This is a modern site that is the future. And that's why, and then that brings us up to the next thing you can use your website is to online courses. It's so popular today to create online courses, and Kajabi is mainly built for online courses. That's the main section. And I have Kajabi in my Swedish sites, and we have like 4 or 5 very popular online courses. And together with the online courses, you can do so much more. You have email handling, you have automations, which is very interesting, where you can, for example, if a student have completed a lesson, you can send out an email just in that moment they are finished with it. So it's so much more, but you can have it basic and you can grow with it, if I say so. And the third thing you can use it is like, I stand like here, is for lead generation. Maybe you are a business for like B2B and you have physical products, or you just want to be able to speak with people. That's your first step in the sales process. You can create a site where you give away an online course, some education, some white paper, and you can collect email addresses and contact information for this. That's very popular, and it's very easy to do. I mean, I show you this site here. Let me show you what I built before this video. This is my Kajabi site that I built for, it took maybe 30 minutes. It's a kind of a learning curve, but it's very simple. You will learn it in a couple of days, and when you have learned it, it's very easy to operate. This is not the right, this is the right. So if you thinking of buying Kajabi, you can use it as just a website, you can use it as an online course platform, or you can use it as a lead generation. You can use it with so much more creativity. And as I said before, you can grow with it. So I highly recommend you trying the Kajabi platform. You have 28 days of trial, so you can decide if you like it or not, and then you can just cancel. It's no problem, but I like it. It's my favorite. If you like this video, no, this is wrong. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, thumbs up. If you want to learn more how to create videos rapidly, please visit rapidvideomarketer.com. Till next time, bye.